A lot of people look at Christian light education and assume it's just simple little black and white workbooks with repetitive busy work. I think that's one of the biggest misconceptions about this curriculum, especially in the younger grades. Because once you actually start using CLE Language Arts Level 2, you realize there's a lot more happening than people think. It's very structured, very intentional, heavily review based, and honestly, one of the things I think CLE does really well is helping concepts actually stick long term instead of kids just memorizing something for a test and forgetting it a week later. So today, I want to walk you through CLE Language Arts Level 2, what comes with the curriculum, what your child will actually be learning throughout the year, how the lessons are structured, and some things I personally think are really important to know before starting it. And if you're trying to decide whether CLE would work for your family, hopefully this video will help give you a much clearer picture of what this curriculum actually looks like in real life. So first, let's talk about what actually comes with the course. CLE Language Arts 2 comes with 10 light units, 201 through 210. Each light unit has around 16 lessons inside. So by the end of the year, your child completes around 160 lessons total, including quizzes and tests. One thing I personally appreciate with CLE is that the curriculum is very organized for the homeschool mom. The quizzes are already built in, the tests are already built in, the review is already built in. You're not constantly trying to figure out what to teach next or how to structure things. Now at this level, I really do recommend the teacher's guide. I know sometimes moms try to skip the teacher's manuals to save money, but CLE Language Arts, especially in the younger grades, is designed to be teacher involved. The teacher's guide includes the teaching instruction, oral review, answer keys, spelling lists, reduced student pages, and guidance for introducing new concepts. I think CLE works best when you actually use it the way it was designed. There are also a few optional resources that I think can be really helpful depending on your child. The biggest one is probably the phonics cards. These are really helpful for quick daily review of phonics sounds and rules, especially if your child still needs reinforcement with reading fluency or phonics concepts. There are also spelling flashcards and cursive help if you want additional support. So what is your child actually learning throughout the year? CLE Language Arts is basically an all-in-one language arts curriculum. It combines phonics, grammar, spelling, penmanship, and writing all together into one program. At this level, students are essentially wrapping up the phonics instruction that started in first grade. So if your child came through learning to read or CLE Language Arts 1, this level helps solidify and strengthen those phonics foundations. And personally, I think one reason CLE students often become such strong readers is because of the constant review. CLE does not assume kids master something after seeing it once or even seeing it for 1 year. They come back to the concepts over and over again in different ways. This is also where grammar instruction starts to become more noticeable. Students begin learning things like nouns, pronouns, adjectives, verbs, sentence structure, capitalization, punctuation, and something that surprises some homeschool moms is that students actually begin simple sentence diagramming in second grade. Now, before that scares you, it's extremely basic at this level. Very simple noun and verb diagrams. But CLE introduces concepts gradually over time, so students are exposed to it little by little instead of suddenly jumping into complex diagramming years later. Each light unit contains 3 spelling lists with 15 words each, so students end up practicing a lot of spelling throughout the year. But again, CLE uses a spiral approach, so patterns and concepts continue showing up repeatedly for reinforcement. And honestly, I think that's one of the biggest strengths overall. This is also the year students begin learning cursive, and I actually really like how CLE handles this because it's woven in naturally into the lessons instead of feeling like an entirely separate subject you have to fit in somewhere else in your homeschool day. Each light unit also includes a creative writing assignment. At this age, they're simple and manageable, but they help begin building writing confidence and helping students learn how to organize their thoughts on paper. And depending on the child, this may be something that you need to come alongside them and sit with them for quite a bit of it, especially with second graders. I have a young second grader around 6 years old, and with her, I have to sit with her and do the writing for her a lot of the times. So she'll tell me her writing plan and we walk through it together, navigate through it together, and help structure it together. One of the reasons I think CLE works really well for homeschooling families is because the lessons are extremely predictable and structured. Every lesson starts with a short teacher-directed oral review. You might review phonics sounds, spelling patterns, or concepts from previous lessons before introducing something new. I really would not skip this part. I know it can feel tempting to just hand your child the workbook and let them work independently, but especially in the younger grades, this teacher interaction is a really important part of the program. Then, new concepts are introduced in very small, manageable pieces. CLE does not tend to overload students with huge amounts of information all at once, and most of the lesson is actually review. The spiral review is one of the biggest reasons I think CLE works so well for retention. Kids continue practicing concepts over and over in different ways, so learning tends to stick much better long term. And usually, concepts are reviewed multiple times before students are tested on them, which really helps build confidence too, especially for kids who need repetition. Now, in terms of pacing, most families simply do one lesson per day. At this age, lessons are usually around 20 to 30 minutes, depending on the child and depending on the lesson. Some days may take longer if there's more writing or a more difficult grammar concept. Each light unit also includes 2 quizzes and 1 test. Funny thing, if you decide to use CLE, do yourself a favor and pull those quizzes and tests out immediately before handing your child the workbook. Because yes, homeschool moms forget sometimes. Ask me how I know. We would be in the middle of our light unit and start actually doing the test without even realizing it because I forgot to pull the test out, and the test is located in the center of the book. So pull those tests and quizzes out ahead of time. Another thing I appreciate about CLE is that it works well for real homeschool life. If you have a rough week, a sick baby, appointments, interruption, or life just happens, the constant review helps students retain concepts well, even if you need to slow down a bit. Overall, CLE Language Arts Level 2 is a really solid all-in-one language arts curriculum. It gives students strong phonics instruction, foundational grammar, spelling, cursive practice, writing instruction, and constant review, all in a very organized format. And I think it works well for families who want something open and go, structured and thorough without needing to piece together multiple separate language arts programs. If you have questions about CLE Language Arts 2 and want me to go deeper into any part of the curriculum, definitely leave it down in the comments because I'm always happy to make more CLE videos. And if this video was helpful, make sure you subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.